च्या मरणाच्या ताच्या फुडें डेव्हलपमेंट आज पोस्टमॉर्टम जालो भुरग्याचो आनी दोतोरान बरोवन दिला की इट इज क्रॅनियो सेरेब्रल डॅमेज विथ ब्लंट चेस्ट ट्रॉमा कॉन्सिक्वेंट टू ब्लंट फोर्स इम्पॅक्ट बाय सरफेस एंड ऑर ऑब्जेक्ट. आता पोस्टमॉर्टमाच्या म्हणण्याप्रमाणे there is absolutely no physical violence at all. There is no sodomy at all. So the death is due to fall from a height due to brain damage. We are probing as to how he has gone on the top and how he has had a fall and due to which he has died. Now there is a drainage pipe from the top to the bottom which was there where the boy's dead body was found. Midway of the drainage pipe we have found one orange color thread which was in the waist of this boy, which has been confirmed by his mother. As there are scratch injuries, bruises over the stomach and over the internal parts of the thighs, it appears that either he has fallen or somehow he has landed on this pipe and has dragged down himself. And from midway of this pipe, when this thread has got entangled on a joint of the pipe, it has forced open and he has lost the balance and then fell. And while falling, he has hit his head on either sides of the wall, and then he has fallen down and come down, where he is with the injuries left unattended because it was dark, and thereafter he has died. We are probing our investigation from all angles to know how he has gone on the top on the terrace of the 4-storied building. We have also found his slippers which he was wearing of his mother over there on the other side of the terrace. So he had access, and then from one side to the terrace to the other side there is a small passage where he can even jump over. So we are probing from all the angles as to how he has gone on the top and how is that he has fallen down.